What's going on, guys? Welcome to my first video. Today we're gonna be replacing the blower motor that blows cool air into the ECU on this 2004 E46 M3. I didn't know that it had a blower motor that blew air directly into here until there was a weird squeaking noise coming from my driver's side vent. Sounded kind of like a cricket. But like it would happen randomly, usually right when I start the car, and just randomly throughout my drive. So yep, and what we have to do to access that is take off this bottom panel under the steering wheel column, and it would be located right there in the very difficult area. Of course, it's in a pretty difficult area to access. So yeah, I can't wait for that. First step though is there are two kinds of blower motors you can get. One is for the SMG and the other for manuals. SMG has three pins at the end, and the manual I believe has 2. So what I'm going to do first, before we take off the panel under the steering wheel, I'm just going to take off the 4 or 5 T15s off the ECU box cover, and take or unplug the blower motor and see how many pins are under there. All right, so I already undid, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 T15s. Took those out. This. And the blower motor is supposedly located. The wife has decided to join me. She's gonna help me swap out this E-box. Just kidding, I bought the wrong part.
You did?
Unfortunately. So what I'm gonna try to do, take off the cover. Maybe I can access the connector once I do that, hopefully, or I'll just be wasting my time. But yeah, let's fucking do it. Might as well. So we got 1, 2, 3 screws, and what is this? 1 clip and 1 twisting clip right there. So we're gonna take all these off. Try not to break the panel. Looks like it's already cracked. That's fucking great. All right, and I think that's everything. Might be able to pry this down. Make sure not to break anything. Shake it loose.
OBD2 typically uses a standardized 16-pin.
What the okay. Making some nice sounds here. Alright, it's promising. Alright. So we got all that out. The panel off. Bunch of connections down there. What the? Okay. What the fuck? Alright, so let's take a look and see. There's definitely a blower down there. And gotta unscrew those. Looks like two Wow, this is a pain in the ass to fucking. God damn. Oh. How the fuck do people do this shit? All right, so got it loose. Now I think when they did the manual swap, there is a wire that goes up to the dash, and of course they looped it around the freaking blower. So I gotta break that plastic part, and break that wire free. All right, so this is the old one. Unfortunately, my dumbass bought the wrong one. See, it has 2 prongs. This one has 3. Yay! Yay! Also, the guy that did this manual swap wrapped the fucking wire through this hole. It's a little extra annoyance cutting the shit to get that wire through, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I've stayed positive. I got the shit out, so there's that. And yeah, show you guys this part. So I was confused, but this clip, you basically just get those prongs, pull it up, and then the connector that's attached to the actual blower is sticking up. So once you pull this up, you just want to get like a screwdriver or something and push that the blower connector down, and it'll release from the clip against this plastic wall, and then you just pull it out. That's pretty much it.